Welcome to Love Lady's Garden Projects and more. Thank you for taking the time out to come and visit my channel. On my channel, what you will find is projects that I've already built for my garden space, as well as new projects that I will be building for the future. Also, I'm learning how to can. You can come along that journey as well with me. But most of all, I will be gardening. Now, I'm in my second year of gardening. I'm in zone 8B, where it's hot majority of the time, dry majority of the time, and when you want water, you don't get it. When you don't want the water, you get it. So, I think 2020 has been really crazy for everybody. But you have to know how to improvise. So, on my channel, you will see all the ways that I've been trying to create those improvisions. But I hope you enjoy the channel. So if you do, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can always know when I load up a video.